What if your DNA wasn't a fixed destiny, but a living story you can rewrite every day? Imagine if you could switch on your longevity genes, turn off the ones that cause disease, and literally reverse the effects of aging. Welcome to Epigenetics, the revolutionary science proving that your lifestyle, environment, and even your thoughts can reprogram your genes. This is not philosophy, this is biology, and today we'll decode how your choices, your mindset, and your daily habits can shape your future health at the cellular level. What is epigenetics? Epigenetics comes from the Greek word epi, meaning on or above. It implies features that are on top of, or in addition to the genetics. Epigenetics is the study of how cells control gene activity without changing the DNA sequence. This study shows how environmental factors and behaviors can change gene activity without altering the underlying DNA sequence. It's the science of how gene expression, the way your genes behave, can be turned on or off without changing your DNA sequence. Think of your DNA as the piano, and epigenetics as the pianist. The notes genes never change, but the way they're played, the rhythm, intensity, and melody, depends on the pianist's skill and environment. In simple terms, you can't change your genes, but you can change how your genes work. You are not your genes. For decades, we believed that our DNA dictated our destiny. But research has turned that belief upside down. The Human Genome Project revealed that genes alone explain only about 10% of diseases. Studies in Nutrigenomics and Harvard Medical School found that over 70% of chronic illnesses, from diabetes to cancer, are influenced by epigenetic factors like diet, sleep, exercise, toxins, and stress. Even identical twins, who share the same DNA, can age differently, develop different diseases, and live vastly different lifespans, all due to epigenetic variations. Your biology is not a fixed script. It's a living, evolving language that you can learn to speak fluently. How your daily choices rewrite your genes. Every moment, your body receives epigenetic signals from your lifestyle. Here's how the main ones work. 1. Nutrition. Foods rich in folate, B12, choline, and omega-3 support DNA methylation, a process that silences diseased genes and activates healthy ones. Studies show that a Mediterranean diet can slow your biological age by up to 2 years. 2. Exercise. Just one workout can activate over 9,000 genes, proved by scientific reports in 2019. Exercise boosts mitochondrial energy genes, helping your cells repair and rejuvenate. 3. Stress and mindset. Chronic stress can methylate brain genes linked to anxiety and inflammation. But mindfulness, gratitude, and deep breathing reverse these changes. Harvard's 2018 study showed that meditation activates genes that enhance immunity and longevity. 4. Sleep. Sleep is your body's nightly genetic tune-up. Lack of sleep disrupts over 700 genes tied to metabolism, immunity, and repair. 5. Environment. Pollutants, plastics, and pesticides can trigger harmful epigenetic tags, but antioxidant-rich foods like broccoli sprouts, turmeric, and green tea help your body detox and restore balance. Future of epigenetic medicine. The future of healthcare is precision epigenetics. Doctors are already using epigenetic therapies like azacitidine to reverse cancer-causing gene silencing. Now epigenetic clocks are measuring your true biological age, and we at BioAge Reset provide personalized programs that will help you reverse it. Imagine a future where medicine doesn't just treat disease, it reprograms your genes for optimal health and longevity. Takeaway and action plan by BioAge Reset 360. Here's how to start your epigenetic reset today. 1. Eat clean, colorful whole foods. 2. Move daily, walk, stretch, or lift. 3. Sleep 7-8 hours to restore DNA repair. 4. Meditate or breathe deeply to balance stress genes. 5. Avoid toxins, processed foods, and smoking. 6. Add natural boosters like curcumin, resveratrol, EGCG, and omega-3 for cellular support. Small actions today can rewrite decades of health tomorrow. If you found this video inspiring, imagine how your life could change if you started applying it now. Subscribe to BioAge Reset 360, where science meets transformation. Like this video if you believe in reprogramming your biology for longevity. Comment below, I'm ready to reset my genes, and join a global movement to live younger, longer, and stronger. Because your DNA is not your fate, it's your greatest opportunity.